Listen carefully, because over the next few minutes, I want to take you on a journey, one that can completely transform your English speaking ability in just a week. Many people believe that fluency takes years, but I'm here to tell you that with focus, the right mindset, and consistent effort, you can speak more confidently and clearly in only 7 days. Not perfect English, not academic English, but honest, usable English, the kind that helps you communicate, connect, and express yourself. On day 1, the most important thing is to change your mindset. You must decide, I will speak freely, I will not judge myself, I will use English as a tool, not a burden. Fluency is not just grammar or vocabulary, fluency is your ability to let your thoughts flow, to speak with courage even when you are unsure, to make mistakes and learn from them, and most importantly, to keep going. What if I told you the very first step is just speaking aloud for 2 minutes every single morning? Yes, 2 minutes. Pick a subject, your day, your dreams, a recent conversation, whatever comes to your mind. Speak out loud in English. It doesn't need to sound perfect. There may be pauses, mistakes, or hesitations. That's okay. What matters is the habit, speaking without fear. When you do this daily, your brain starts to accept English as a natural language, not something foreign or terrifying. But fluency doesn't happen only through speaking, listening is equally powerful. Every day, set aside 10 minutes to listen to English that is at your level, stories, podcasts for learners, or slow motivational speeches. Listen to it twice. The first time, just enjoy. The second time, try to absorb the rhythm, the accent, the way sentences are formed. Do not write down every word. Don't try to memorize everything. Let the English flow into your mind like water. This listening routine programs brain wiring for fluency. Another powerful technique is shadowing. You listen to a sentence and, as soon as you hear it, you repeat it immediately. It could be, I want to improve my English, or this is interesting. It doesn't matter if your timing is a little late. What matters is that you are training your mouth and brain to move together with the language. Try this for 5 minutes every day, maybe while walking, or waiting for something, and notice how your speaking ability becomes smoother. Thinking in English is another huge habit. When you are awake, try to name things around you: table, window, food, work. When you plan your day, mentally say, I'll work, I'll rest, I'll learn. These small thought sentences build a bridge from your mind to your voice. Over days, your brain begins to think in English naturally. The magic is not in speaking bigger sentences. The magic is in thinking smaller ones in English. Confidence can be your biggest obstacle. Many shy away because they fear being wrong. Mistakes are not a failure, they are proof of progress. Every time you speak, you are putting yourself out there. Tell yourself, I may make mistakes, but I am learning. This mindset shift is the key to breaking down fear. Confidence grows when you embrace imperfection. To help boost your confidence and make your English automatic, build a mini sentence library of 10 powerful, everyday lines. These are not random words, they are the short, versatile phrases native speakers use. I completely agree with you. Could you explain that again? I don't fully understand, can you help? I think this is very useful. I am working on my English every day. I would love to practice more. I don't mind making mistakes. Let's talk about something new. Thank you, that was helpful. Can we try again? Repeat these lines in your mind, out loud, in different contexts, until they become part of your everyday English. 1 week with these lines, and they will become automatic responses that give you confidence. At night, do a simple, powerful mini review, just 60 seconds. Close your eyes. Think about 3 new sentences you spoke, 3 new words you used, or 3 moments when you stood up for your English. Whisper them in your mind or say them quietly. This simple ritual cements them in your memory while your brain rests. By the end of 7 days, you will see real progress. You won't be perfect, and that's okay. But you will be a different speaker than when you started. You will speak with a stronger voice, clearer thought, and more courage. The real transformation is not in grammar or vocabulary, it's in your willingness to speak, to think, to act every single day. So believe this, you can shift your English in just a week. With commitment, a little routine, and a mindset that doesn't fear mistakes, you will open a door to fluency. Let that door swing wide open.